I want some dollar bills. I need some dollar bills. I pray for some dollar bills. Good morning, YouTube. Back for another video. Add another platform to the channel. Dollar Bill. An affordable way to enrich your life. Dollar bills were created with love and faith, with the hope that a beautiful, stunning, and luxurious life is well achievable for everyone. When you have friends amongst who you feel wanted, support, help, confident, and are filled resources and discover your talents unexpectedly, which, when implemented, you make a happy person willing to help others. That's what this all is about. That's what this channel is all about. Helping others. How can you help people? The more you help yourself. So this platform here, according to the website, like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I do. I take chances with a portion of my portfolio. So this is a small percentage. I take risks. And that's what we're going to do here at Stock Crypto Credit Moves. So according to this has been out since 2015. It's been online for 2,384 days. They have insurance for 50 million, and they got 46 million in investments. About us. Just giving out the information. A concept that many see as being free from any flaws or defect in condition or quality. This is how you can describe the software package that Dollar Bill Financial Ltd has developed for commodity, stock, cryptocurrencies, and financial exchange trade in the markets. So pretty much that's how some of these platforms are able to give out the returns that they give. And I've profited tremendously off of these platforms. And a lot of people are wondering, like, how the heck are they able to give out, returns that they do? Well, they're involved in multiple asset classes, and they actually use robots to trade. So a lot of these platforms are AI trading. Computer can always beat you. Even the stock market is manipulated, and the computers are controlling that. We're just a pawn in the game, YouTube. We put our money in that we can afford the risk, and we live with the results. It ain't no stress on this channel. We ain't gonna stress out. Stressing because you're not prepared. So you got to know what you're getting yourself into and accept the risks. So let me go ahead and log into my account. What we got going on here? So I dropped 500 in here. I'm trying to get to the plan. They have like a lot of different plans, and they all do they pay out differently. So of course they start with the more conservative ones. It takes longer for you to make the money, and it goes every time the percentage increases, the time allocated to return goes down. So it's less time. So I'm just the type, I like to go ahead, get in, and actually see if a platform is operating correctly. So I chose this one. I'm dropping 500. And 20 days, 20 business days, 28 calendar days, you're going to get your return on principal. profits paid at the end of investment. Referral commission is 12%. So I'm dropping 500, and I'm accordingly supposed to get 4,000 back within 20 days. So we definitely gonna keep you updated as to how this works out. But I'll be the sacrificial lamb. So we got different other packages, and I'll put the referral link in the description. Just want to drop dollar bill on there because I know we all need some dollar bills. You know, we got to keep them dollars working. Every dollar you possess is a soldier. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just on YouTube to show you how I create that cash flow. Like, share, subscribe. And until next time, let's get them dollar bills.